So I was asked to check out some of the skills from Kimi, and Kimi has this tool that will let you design your own skill. Like you give it a requirement and it will generate the skill for you. So for that, you first make sure to use the Kimi for talks or maybe for even chat, right? Any one of that would work. So I'm currently on the docs side of Kimi, and here I'm basically creating a skill that would generate a JSON document if I give the website screenshot. So give the slash and then click create with Kimi, and we want to create a skill. So create a skill for me using slash skill creator, and here are my requirements. So first of all, user submits a screenshot to certain website he wants to turn into a JSON document. So that would be step one, right? That image can be in PNG, JPEG or SVG, it doesn't matter. So we will give that as a step one. Step two would be basically giving it a prompt, so that something like, if I give screenshot, it should generate JSON based system design, right? And that document should be generated, right? You can write it as a JSON based design system or JSON output, either one of that would work. Then create a prompt using any AI and then tell it what you want to get out of such design. So this is just an example prompt inside this instruction. Now step 3, we will be getting a standard, right? So what sort of standard? That would be design token format that is being now standardized by W3. So we will give that. So in step 3, first we generate the design, and in step 4 we verify it follows this particular design token standard, right? So verify it follows the design token format, and you can give the link to this particular W3 standard document. Now once you give everything and it thinks of all those steps that you want to work on, just pass that, and Kimi skill generator would start working. And here you can see it will go through all the steps and it will check what needs to be done. So it will first create a directory structure, then it has to also look at the document, and then it will try and understand how you can validate against that document if the JSON file is generated. So it is trying to produce that compliant output. So it will go through the document and it will actually see those steps, right? So now for me, the important part is letting it follow that process. Once it does, it will show you a document, basically .skill document, that later you can give to any AI, any tool, and it will read that. And once it does, it will understand how to work with this skill, how to take a screenshot from any means, like for website or PDF document or say Word document, and then convert that into a design system which will generate such skill. You can see everything is validated now. So I can download, it will download the .skill file. Right now, to use that, we can open cursor later and take it from there, right? We can also add this to Kimi's existing desktop area, and from there we can repeat it for next iteration, next time we create. So if you are using this to create a skill with Kimi, so for free account, you can see it will pretty much burn out all the tokens while trying to create such skill. So making skill with Kimi is easy, but you have to also be mindful about the amount of token it takes. In my case, I pretty much run out of tokens after this, so I'm just able to build this one. You can also give this instruction to some other AI and generate the type of skill you want if you run out of your tokens or credits from one provider, and then repeat it for multiple other skills. So this can be a good option if you are trying to build something and want to repeatedly use. Then using a skill in that case is a good idea, instead of using prompt with every iteration of actions that you do. And this will build a decent amount of skills within your system. You just have to change them and use it in multiple projects. So if you are trying to use Kimi for this is a good option. And also you can take this skill to cursor and others.